What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is MJ and today we are unboxing the Invicta Pro Diver 8932 OB original bezel. And before we get into the watch, I just wanted to take on a couple of questions. Another Invicta. So this is my third Invicta in this channel, and I'm not going to promise anything, guys, but I like to do these unboxings, and if it comes to an Invicta again, it is what it is. Number two, so this is basically a Rolex Submariner Homage, a smaller version, and in my opinion, the Rolex Submariner is an okay watch. I think it's a 5 out of 10 kind of watch. So why did I buy this watch? Number one, because of the size. It says 37 or 38 millimeters. I do have a small wrist size, so I just wanted to check it out. Or number two, it's because it's an homage of a Rolex Submariner. Sometimes it's cool to see a look-alike of a Submariner when you wake up in the morning, kind of a motivation. And number three, it was on sale for $40.80. I got it for a real good price. So going to the watch itself, so the basics: water resistance up to 200 meters, case size is 37.5 millimeters, case material stainless steel, and we got a unidirectional bezel. The band material stainless steel. On the movement, we got a quartz movement. Movement components are from Japan, PC32A. As you can see, the band length is 215 millimeters, standard size. Band size is 18 millimeters. And it retails for $68 at the Invicta store, though I got it with a coupon for 40%, therefore I got it for $40.80 plus shipping. On Amazon you can get it for $58.79. In contrast, the Invicta Pro Diver Automatic 8926 OB is available at Invictastores for $98, and on Amazon it's $69.99. So that's it from me, guys. Thank you guys for watching. My name is MJ. And if you guys are interested, I also got some videos that are exclusively for finance stocks related videos. You guys want to check it out. Also on Instagram, Marlon J. Manuel. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. And I'll see you guys on the next watch unboxing. Thanks.